Hi, welcome to the Paul Davis Design Center. My name's Camille, I'm the on-site designer here, and this is where we work to put your home back together, hopefully better than it was before. So let me show you around. Every one of our clients has different needs. Everyone has been through a different situation that has altered their life. It's our job to take you by the hand and lead you through this process and get you out the other side and hopefully feel that we've improved your life for you. So the first steps we would take would be to sit down and discuss your individual needs. Get a wish list going of things that you'd like to have, improve upon, and then I would come up with some initial drawings. After that's done, then I come up with plans and renderings to show you what it will look like. Once we have a design down and we know that you like it, then we're going to start looking at product. We have tons of product here to choose from cabinets to countertops, flooring, everything that you could possibly think of. We build a schedule and we stick to the dates, so at the end of that schedule, you know when you're going to be back in your home. In addition, every contractor that's going to step foot in your house is on that schedule. You will know when people are going to be there, who's going to be there, and what jobs they're going to be performing. This way, there's no surprises. You know exactly how it's going to go. So that's the design process. And it's our goal to take a really unfortunate situation and make it the best we can possibly make it for you. And I'm going to be there with you every step of the way until we get you back in your home.